1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie Ann and I'm not normally like this. If you are new to my channel, then I'll just quickly fill you in and let you know that last Friday I had a fall, quite a bad fall, and I've broken my humerus here in 3 places. The breaks aren't across, they're sort of like this, so they've all sort of got like a shard on each piece of the bone. So right now we're at the stage where they did want to operate, but because I've got other illnesses, they are debating when they will operate. So it's a bit of a waiting game, but I should know next week what's happening. So meanwhile, my arm is just in this, hanging, literally hanging. I'm in an awful lot of pain. I'm doped up to my eyeballs, but I said last week that I was doing a new mini series and my first one went up last Friday, so I am absolutely going to try and do this one today, and it's my Friday face masks. So I've got some masks in here. Last week I used a sheet mask. It was a collagen one. This week I'm also going to use a sheet mask because it's just going to be easier for me to apply and to take off. I have already done my cleansing. Last week I showed my cleansing on my video, but I have already done it, and it was just quicker for me to do it off camera because obviously I'm taking longer to do it at the moment. So I'm going to go for the leopard face sheet mask. There we go, that's what it looks like. And I remember that I did actually buy this in Home Bargains, and I think it was either something like 89p, 99p, and it says it cleanses your pores and removes dirt and oil with perilla leaf extract, and it's suitable for all skin types. So what does it say on the back? Right, clean your face like you would do normally, pat dry. Before opening the sachet, use fingers to gently distribute the serum evenly. Step 2, open the sachet carefully, take out the mask and unfold. Apply and smoothen the mask over your entire face, leaving your eyes and nose and mouth free. Step 3, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask and discard. Massage the remaining serum into your skin. And then it says clean your face with lukewarm water. Okay, so let's try and, oh, let's go this end. There's a little opening bit there, look. Not the most dignified. Ways of doing this. There we go. Use nature what it gave you. It's a lot easier than trying to negotiate the scissors and stuff. Right, so it says distribute the serum with your fingers, sort of through the mask. I can still use these fingers, but that's all I can use on this arm. Right, take out the mask. Ooh, take out the mask, which is really quite saturated, which is good. Try and use my other hand to open the mask. Oh, it's so cute. It's be great for kids, this one. And of course big kids like us. Oh. Okay, right, let's try and get this on. Oh, done. Trying to use you guys here as a bit of a guide. Come on, unfold. It does feel nice. Ooh. Do it, come on, and down, that's it. That's better. If I can get it all like open a bit, and then I can, that's it, smooth it to where it's meant to be, look. In the jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, it makes me look a bit crooked there. There we go. Who says I'm not a trooper? Doing this for my YouTube channel and all my subscribers. If I say I'm going to do something, I sure as hell will try to. Right, I think that's probably about it. Ooh. Isn't it cute though? Kids would love this, wouldn't they? Right then guys, that's on. I'm going to see you in 15 minutes. Hi guys, so it's 15 minutes later. It still feels as wet as it was when it went on, so it's not one of those that really dries out. Possibly it would on a really hot day. So let's take it off. There we go. Just gonna massage the rest of that serum into my face. No, there we go. So that's all massaged in. Now it does say on the pack to then rinse and clean your skin, just sort of like rinse off. Probably because it does feel slightly tacky. Still got my bruise there, look where I fell on these. On my finger, if you're wondering why my finger's all manky and my elbows. That's actually a lot better now, my elbow, but it's this one. Yeah, it feels a little bit tacky, but it did all go in. So when I took the mask off, it was still quite saturated, but as soon as I started massaging it in, it went in, and it feels really nice. The one I did last week, that left my skin feeling quite dry and tight afterwards, but as soon as I moisturised, it was absolutely fine. This one I will go and rinse off, and I'll come back and let you know what it was like. Right, so I've rinsed it off now. It does feel slightly dry, slightly tight, but not as much as the one last week did. So this one's definitely more for my skin type. I'm just going to pop a little bit of moisturiser on because it's only fair, because that's what I did last week. It's the only way I can get this on, so I know it's not right, but there we go. And there we go. See, as soon as I've got the moisturiser on, it feels absolutely great. But do you know, I mean, it was so simple, wasn't it? I mean, I know the one last week was simple, but it was so simple and really effective. So despite the fact it's got a tiger on the front, that's just like a little bit of novelty to it. But it does mean that I am looking forward to using the other two that I've got like this. I've got the alpaca one, and I've also got another leopard one, but I'll be leaving those for a little while and doing something else. So I'll see you all next Friday for my next Friday face mask. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. It does really help my channel. If you like what you've seen, then please subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell. I'd really appreciate that. And I'll talk to you all next week. See you then. Bye. Take care.